Hi. Welcome for watching our insulated delivery bag introduction. The bag using high-quality designs such as waterproof zipper, comfortable handle, large capacity, durable webbing, reinforced sewing, foldable design and many accessories in order let the bag more long life and reduce your cost. The bag have 50 liters capacity. Combination of multiple layers of high quality materials. Top open closure design. Inner using aluminum foil. Durable Velcro and elastic cup holders are standard option. The bag have movable divider let you put in any kinds of foods or grocery. The design are very durable and suitable for any kinds of delivery. No matter by car, by bicycle, by motorcycle or on foot, it always help you complete tasks easily. Besides this style, we also have more than 100 styles for customers to choose from. Customize orders are also welcome. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Our email: sales@hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.